my dear friends, it's my honor to be here to introduce our air conditioner to you. Our air conditioner, the capacity we can do from 9,000 BTU to 30,000 BTU, and we can do heating and cooling only. And for our air conditioner, we got CE, CB, SASO certificates that we can satisfy for different markets. And we also can do on-off tap and inverter tap. And most customers, they make sure the inverter tap to more energy saving. And for our models, we can do T1 climate and T3 climate, especially for the Middle East market, Iraq market. They prefer to choose the T3 market, T3 climate. And for T1 is for Asian market, African market, and South American market, and Latin American. And the next video, I will introduce the more details to you. Thank you.